So don't be shy, just come on by to the Black Magic Family Hour.
A hearty hail Satan to everybody out there. Welcome back to the Black Magic Family Hour. I'll bet you know what this episode's all about, right?
Sacrifice!
Sacrifice! Sacrifice is one of the funnest things you can ever do when you give your life over to Satan.
It's pretty fun.
It's so awesome. I love it. I do it as often as I can. And so one of the things that we're going to do tonight is show you how to do a sacrifice. And one of Satan's favorite sacrifices is a stuffed animal sacrifice.
And kids, you can do this at home with one of your stuffed animals too.
Yeah.
Why don't you go get one?
Go get one right now. Great, let's get started. So, there's just a couple really simple steps to performing a living sacrifice of a stuffed animal. Okay? First of all, you need a stuffed animal, an altar, the book of the devil, and a nice, safe pair of scissors. We don't recommend that you use anything too sharp, okay? So we're going to...
You can also use a stick or something along that line.
Yeah, Satan accepts that. Anything like that. Okay, here we go. Step number 1. Subdue your victim. Now, since I'm a little bit stronger, have more testosterone, I'm going to subdue the victim, okay? Victim, be thou subdued. Okay, the victim has been successfully subdued. Now, step number 2, prepare your weapon. All right, weapon prepared. Now, step number 3, we're going to read the sacred incantation that will send this animal's soul to hell. All right, here we go. You take the good, you take the bad, you take them both, and there you have a sacrifice. All right, just time out real quick. I'm going to unsubdue you. Sweetie, she's blind. All right.
Yes.
Well, it's okay. Could you, when you plunge the knife into the victim, could you just next time?
Am I not on?
You're not quite on.
Oh,
you hit
I'm
the
sorry.
table, sweetie.
I'm sorry.
Could you just go a little bit more to your right next time?
Okay.
Okay.
Just to my right.
To your
like
right.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's where you want to go.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just going to do the ceremony all over again. We missed the first time, but that's okay. You know, one of the things I love so much about Satan is that he believes in second chances. You know, he's all about forgiveness.
As long as your intentions are
Right.
in the wrong place.
That's right. It's about what's in your heart. And he knows that our hearts are in the right place and that we truly desire to send this stuffed animal to hell. And that's what matters. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to wrap it. We're just going to start right over again. Okay? So, victim, be thou subdued.
Weapon ready.
Weapon is ready. Okay? She's ready to plunge it into his heart. Okay? Now we're going to read the sacred words. You take the good, you take the bad, you take them both, and there you have a sacrifice. Oh my God! Oh, sweet Satan! Oh Lord!
What's wrong?
Oh my God!
Would you tell me?
Oh, sweetie, nothing. It's all right. You just did it perfect.
Did I get him?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. No, it's excellent.
Oh, good.
I think
Good.
I think we're just gonna wrap it up there. That was a very successful sacrifice, sweetheart.
Good.
No,
Thank you.
it
I
looks
tried.
Yep. So that's all the time we have tonight for the Black Magic Family Hour.
Bye.
Satan loves you.
It's the Black Magic Family Hour. We're gonna show you Satan's power. So don't be shy, just come on by to the Black Magic Family